Hi, this is Dr. Janice Doan from A Plus Family Dentistry, and we are here in sunny San Diego, California. And I'm here with Paul, one of my favorite patients.
Hi, Doctor.
Yes, and thank you so much, Paul, for being with us today. I wanted to kind of give everyone a little bit information about your story, who you are, and what kind of transformation that you went through with your smile.
Okay.
So do you want to give a little information about who you are?
Sure. My name's
Okay.
Paul Reynoso. I'm from Texas. I'm actually been living in Mexico for the past 6 months, and when I came to Dr. Janice, I had a toothache, and came in and we did X-rays and everything, and they sat down and I talked about what my overall health goals were to get my mouth right and whatnot, and we discussed different plans. We sat down and talked it out and came up with a plan that we thought would work, and then it was a matter of us getting together and making it happen and executing it, which we did. And it was a process we had to really commit to, but
Right.
we both did on both our ends, and it worked out for the best. And I got these.
So
Pearly
what did
whites.
you get actually? What procedure did you get done?
I had veneers put in on the fronts.
Uh-huh.
All these in the front had to be redone.
Right.
And what they did is they took a mold of your previous smile,
Right.
and then she said come back in 2 weeks, and she showed me the model of what the teeth would look like, and she was like, "What do you think?" And I fell in love, and
Yeah.
one of the best things I've ever done in my whole life, and I'm glad I met her, and it's been a pleasure getting to know her, and I feel like I've really got to know her and everyone here over the past 6 months. They were really friendly, welcoming. Truly one of the best experiences I've had in my life. And I'd say aside from the staff, the favorite part is probably being able to lie back in the chair when they numb you up and be able to watch Netflix with some headphones on. So it's a very relaxing experience. And I used to have a lot of anxiety about going to the dentist too, and they really did make me feel comfortable. And I would definitely recommend anyone in the area who's looking to have work or have anything done, at least come in for a consultation and let them tell you about what they can do and show you the beautiful work they can do.
Now he cannot stop smiling ear to ear.
And I get so many compliments too.
Right.
It's definitely been a life-changing event, and I'm so glad that I finally did it. And
yeah. So then what made you actually decided to do like a complete transformation of your smile? Because at the beginning, because not everyone know, but you have a tooth that kind of like sticking out, sticking in. It was not straight, it took you a long time to make that decision. So can you tell us a little bit about what?
Yeah, absolutely. A lot of it had to do with the fact that when I was younger I needed orthodontics, but because of living situations where I was and where I wasn't, and no one would actually start the process and continue it. So I never really had the time to do it. So then when I came and met her, I told her to explain my timeline and what I had to get done or whatever, and it was a lot faster for me than getting the orthodontics, and it was feasible for me to do it that way. So they worked with me, and we made sure that we could work out a plan to make it happen, a plan of attack. And it was a hard 6 months, but it wasn't anything that it was painful. It was harder for me because I was living in Mexico and having to cross the border. But for anyone who's living in the area, believe me, it should be a breeze. It's well worth it. But so I chose to get my veneers done just because I was. It was instead of getting my teeth whitened and all this, my teeth had been neglected and chipped and had several cavities, and I just figured I'd go for it and get them done. So that's what I did, and like I said, it's been one of the best.
And I'm so glad you did, because now you have a beautiful new smile. You cannot stop smiling. Every time I see you, you're just smiling from ear to ear. And I'm just so happy to see you like that, because I know inside you're such a happy person.
Yes.
But when we first met, like, you were a little bit reserved. You didn't want to really talk to me as much. Because of the way your teeth were. But now it's just like you cannot stop smiling and talking.
Proud of my brand new smile, and I love it. And I'm glad it's the best thing. Like you said, it's one of the best things I've ever done in my life. So I recommend it if you're thinking about it. Come see her, get it done.
Yeah. Oh, thank you so much, Paul. Oh.
Take care of yourself. And
thank you.
Good luck to you guys. Get it done. Trust me.
Yes.
Change your life.
Beautiful smile.